and Kevin Show. Today we're going to make the Lego pen part 2. Because when I write it slips off, so I want it to not slip off. So I take this piece from the end and remove this refill, and then take a spring and then put it in the refill. And then I put it over in the cube, in all the cubes, and then put it back to normal, where it was normally. And now it's stuck there, so it can't be taken out. Now we're going to make the pencils holder. Now we're going to take this black piece, then put this white piece on it like this. Then we're going to take another white piece, put it on like this. And then we're going to take this 6x1 black piece, and then another 6x1 black piece, and then a 2x2 green piece, and a 2x2 gray piece. There, you got yourself a pencil holder and a pen. Bye. Thanks for watching.